In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create PDFs using Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're new to Acrobat or just need a quick refresher, you'll find this guide easy to follow. Let's dive in and explore some of the different methods you can use to create PDFs with ease. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once you've launched the application, you'll want to head over to the top left corner of the interface and click on the Create button. This area is your main hub for starting new projects. Click it, and you'll be presented with a few options. Choose the file type you want to convert into a PDF. Acrobat supports a broad range of file types, making it versatile for many tasks. Once you've selected your desired file type, click Create or Next to proceed. Another method you can use is the Convert to PDF tool. To find this, navigate to your Acrobat home screen where you'll see an option termed See All Tools. Click on that, then select Convert to PDF. Next, a window will prompt you to choose the file you wish to convert. After selecting it, click Open. Once the file is open in Acrobat, be sure to save your progress. Head up to the menu in the top left corner and select either Save or Save As to store your newly created PDF in a location of your choice. Now let's say you found noteworthy content online or are working with a snippet from a document that you'd like to save as a PDF. Acrobat makes this extremely straightforward with its clipboard function. First, you'll need to copy the desired content to your clipboard. Once copied, go back into Acrobat, navigate to the top left corner and click on Create again. This time, choose Clipboard from the list of options. After selecting it, simply click Create. Your content will now be housed in a fresh PDF document. To ensure your work is not lost, don't forget to save your new PDF to a folder where you can easily retrieve it later. Each of these methods offers a streamlined path to generating professional-looking PDF documents with very little hassle. By mastering these simple steps, you'll be equipped to handle any PDF needs that arise, whether for personal use, work, or school projects. Thank you for joining me today to learn about creating PDFs with Adobe Acrobat. I hope this guide has made you feel more confident in your abilities to produce quality PDF documents swiftly and efficiently. Be sure to explore these tools further to unlock even more of what Acrobat can do. Until next time, happy creating!